If you're obsessed with unique, powerful, and smart gadgets that make life easier, more efficient, and way more fun, you're in for a treat. Today's lineup is packed with brilliant tools that blend innovation, practicality, and adventure. Whether you love outdoor gear, smart tech, or DIY creativity, these gadgets will definitely earn a spot in your must-have list. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Flextail Zero Pump. The Flextail Zero Pump is the ultimate outdoor companion for hikers, campers, and adventurers who hate bulky gear. Weighing just 33 grams, this ultralight air pump can inflate and deflate air mattresses, pillows, and other camping gear effortlessly. Despite its small size, it packs a 7W motor with a powerful 2.5 kPa pressure output, making inflation fast and efficient. The aluminum alloy shell gives it a premium, rugged feel while maintaining minimal weight. With a detachable battery and around 25 minutes of continuous runtime, you can inflate multiple items on a single charge. Compact, sleek, and built for outdoor performance, the Flextail Zero Pump saves space, time, and effort, giving you more freedom to enjoy your adventures. Number 4. Automatic Card Shuffler. If you love poker nights or family card games, the automatic card shuffler is about to become your favorite gadget. This 360-degree rotating machine takes the hassle out of manual shuffling and delivers perfectly mixed decks in seconds. Crafted from durable plastic and designed for home use or parties, this smart 2-in-1 device shuffles and deals your cards with precision. No more uneven decks or wasted time, just smooth, automated performance every single round. Its compact 22 by 18 by 18 centimeter size makes it easy to store and transport, making it ideal for casual get-togethers, game nights, or even professional setups. The automatic card shuffler brings casino-style fun to your living room with a simple push of a button. Number 3. Deko Rotary Tool. The Deko Rotary Toolkit is a dream come true for DIY enthusiasts, woodworkers, and creative makers. Equipped with a powerful 170-watt motor and a 6-speed adjustable control ranging from 8,000 to 35,000 RPM, it's built for precision, versatility, and strength. It comes with a 1.8-meter flexible shaft that lets you handle detailed tasks like engraving, sanding, polishing, or drilling with pinpoint accuracy. The ergonomic rubber grip ensures comfort during long sessions, while ventilation holes keep the tool cool and running smoothly. This kit includes 127 multi-purpose accessories, everything from polishing wheels to drill bits, allowing you to work on wood, metal, ceramics, and more. With its sturdy carrying case and universal compatibility, the Deko Rotary Tool is perfect for hobbyists, craftsmen, and professionals alike. Number 2. Smart Air Card. The Smart Air Card takes tracking and security to the next level. This ultra-thin GPS and Bluetooth-enabled tracker helps you locate your wallet, bag, or valuables through the Find My app on your iPhone. At just 2.85 millimeters thick and weighing only 14 grams, it's designed like a credit card that slips easily into any wallet slot. Equipped with BLE 5.2 wireless technology, it offers a stable 40-meter range and a powerful 75 dB buzzer alert for instant location updates. It's rechargeable via USB and lasts impressively long between charges, with just 80 minutes needed for a full recharge. The Smart Air Card is IPX6 water resistant, meaning it can handle splashes and moisture without issues. Smart, sleek, and reliable, it's your silent guardian for everyday essentials. Number 1. Multifunctional Survival Tool. The Multifunctional Survival Tool is the all-in-one gadget that every adventurer and handyman should carry. Made from premium stainless steel, it combines a wrench, hammer, knife, pliers, and multiple utility tools into one compact, foldable design. Whether you're camping in the wild, fixing gear, or handling small emergencies, this tool has your back. Its ergonomic build ensures a firm grip and easy access to every function you need, from tightening bolts to cutting ropes or opening bottles. Built for durability and performance, the Multifunctional Survival Tool is small enough to fit in your pocket, but tough enough to tackle any challenge outdoors or at home. It's not just a tool, it's your everyday hero in metal form. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.